Hi guys, my name's Miss Chelsea and this is Aesop's Artists. This week we are going to learn how to draw a mermaid. You guys can make your mermaids look like Ariel. You can make them have purple fins, orange fins, green hair, whatever you want. The choice is yours. I hope you guys have as much fun with this project as I did. Here's a list of things you'll need.
If at any point during this tutorial you feel like I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video. To begin with, we will draw 2 circles. Inside of those circles, we'll draw 2 half circles. One larger and one smaller. And the rest of the space in the circles we will color black. These will be our mermaid's eyes. After the eyes, we will draw a U shape. This will be our mermaid's face. And then we will draw a smaller U shape, which will be our mermaid's mouth. Starting at the top to the side, we'll draw a S curved shape, and then a very wide open C. This is the beginning of a mermaid's hair. I'll go ahead and extend up the rest of the face. For the first ear, we'll make a J shape, and then another backwards J shape for the other ear. Now we're going to do her seashells. We're going to do 2 small circles right next to each other, and inside of those circles we'll do V shapes. Then we'll do vertical lines going down on either side. This is going to be her torso. And then draw a wide V. And then 2 J shapes connecting. This is the top of her fin. You'll draw a long curved shape, then another long curved shape, and then connect them. And then an S shape off the end. And then a rounded curved shape to complete that part. And then another S shape off. And another round curved shape. This is her, the bottom parts of her tail fins. For the arms, we're going to draw teardrop shapes. This is a cute, fun way to do simple cartoon arms. Alright, now we're going to finish her hair. We're going to draw a large curved shape and connect it to the other side. This one is going to be a very large backward C. So go up, around, and down, connect it to the fin. And then we're going to finish the top of her hair with a small curve. For the rest of the hair, go the other side and make a curve down. And then from that curve, go up, make like a very slight S curve shape up to the arm, and then connect on the other side to the face. Here you can see me coloring. I used a peach color for her skin, purple for the shells, red for the hair, and then 2 colors of green for her fins. I also put a little bit of pink blush on her cheeks.
Alright guys, that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the art tutorial, and I hope you join me for next week. Bye!